everybody, welcome back to another video of Elestrals. This is part 2 of my Dallas Open experience. Not really gonna talk about my experience. I did pretty much most of that in my first video. This just I'm gonna be opening up pretty much all the loose packs that I got in the player package. Oh, if I can grab everything. So these are the current sets that are out. So base set, Frostfall, Daybreak, and Moonrise, and I have 9 packs of each. So we're gonna go ahead and open all of these in this video. So let's get started. Sorry, I was trying to organize everything, my goodness. So we have Earth Scout, Warmite, Smoltuga, Drops of Leaf, Drataya, Likeable. I don't think I even have this card yet. Griffuse, Sakurasaur, Caprigol, and Lycoris. We have Ursmog, Rumagem, let's see, Golden Apple of Discord, Atlantis, another Golden Apple of Discord, Galaxy, Zephrog, Javalantis, Hollow Viserys. Oops, I just realized I had another grass section right there. Actually, no, I'm gonna separate. And a Vipyro. Elichick, Atlantis, Pegas, Ursmog, Rumagem, Pelaquarius, Foamy, Ivory. I also do not have this card. Trifernal. Nice. And a Zaptor. Pegas, Atlantis, Golden Apple of Discord, another Golden Apple of Discord, another Atlantis, Earthquake, Hammer of Hephaestus, Eruption, Volcaris, and a Lycoris. So I think it's with like base set and maybe Frostfall. You're gonna see a lot of duplicate cards in the single packs. Which you know, with this game, is okay because you sometimes do need duplicate cards. You can have up to 3 of the same card in your deck. Amp Up, Typhlant, Ignector, Ursir, Clovey, Scavengem, Shield of Achilles, Necklace of Harmonia, a Hollow Bolt, a Vipyro, Rumagem, Golden Apple of Discord, Atlantis, Ampup, oops, Nimbug, Waspire, Griffuse, Lycavolt. I think there's oh no, it's the same. Trifernal, and a Vipyro. Island of Aeolia, Helios Chariot Ride, Necruff, Nimbug, Ampup, Ivory, Javalantis, Zephyrog, Equalinx, and a Vipyro. Churns Obol, Mount Olympus, Sorlet, Aloy Forest, Jolton, Chrysor, Carrion, Pill Aquarius, Majursa, and Terralis. And last pack of base set. Smoltuga. Oh. Belichick. Pigust. Tadpuff. Sluggle. Cinder. Shield of Achilles. Thunderstorm. Pandison. And Lycris. We're gonna start opening up Frostfall. Cyanectar, Morphross, Aloy Forest, Ursaden, Platypulse, Panzer, Smoky, Raceros, Gigaflora, and Lycris. Uh, Usually these are in the back, so I don't know what happened. Leviathan, Comagma, oops, Risseros, Terrasail, Findust, Tadflow, Cataract, Atlantis, Nimbug, and Narpoon. Tadflow, Cataract, Narpoon, Giraflora, Frostmite, Stoke the Forge, Rise from the Depths, Sandstorm, Hollow Brontoglow, and Lycoris. Platypulse, Jatagua, Snowaddle, hold on, yes, Snowaddle, Mount Olympus, Cockatoodle, Findus, Charcoon, Scepter of Kione, a Hollow Hibbofin, and Leviathan. Charcoon, Scepter of Kione, Avalanche, Abominursa, Cryoling, Volcanic Forge, Nemisail, Coribral, Hollow Vipero, and a Leviathan. Keep wanting to grab the pack up top. Urskot, Folloy Forest, Narpoon, Giraflora, Frostmite, Cryovern, Penguat, Permafrog, Hollow Valence, and a Flurmine. The Bublu, Cyanectar, Morfrost, Ursicle, Island of Aeolia, Rise from the Depths, Sunstorm, Tower of Winds, Galaxair, and Terapis. Omanursa, Cryoling, Nimbug, gonna go through these faster because probably be a lot of duplicates at this point, and I kind of feel like I'm losing my voice a little bit. Giraflora, Scepter of Keone, Avalanche, Blizzard, Holomorphos, and Scepter. Another oopsie pack. Vipero, Morphros, Cryovern, Penguat, Permafrog, Gelato, Earthcoat, Valoy Forest, Ursadin, and Platypus. And that was our last pack for Frostball. Gonna do Daybreak and then Moonrise. Follow the Wisps, Jatara. Ooh. Oh, I don't have that out yet. Sundial, Glimbat, Nebuleo, Rock in a Hard Place, Nomodile, Leo Bright, Exaltus, and Luminate. Oh, I didn't have that out yet because Solar didn't come out till Daybreak. And Lunar too, I think. Calfmel, Corvishine, Plucky, Pandalance, Mudlet, Leo Bright, Ruminous, Solstox. Ooh, a full art Kirby's. Nice. And a Flurmine. Nebuleo, Pigleam, Lumaru, Soulbell, Kefamel, Javalukin, Morphros, Polzer, Vesuvituga, and a Terralis. Eddie, Larvacell, Verituka, Toxiswarm, Rainymph, Ruminous, Solstox, Ferromill, Ash Rabbit, and a Flurmine. Temple of the Sun, Guardian of the Fleece, Bloom, Don't Poke the Bear, Follow the Wisp, Bearabug, Scavacole, Humberst, Cyclovenom, Luminate. Verituka, Toxiswarm, Rain Nymph, Temple of the Sun, Guardian of the Fleece, Solstox, Veromel, Barabog, Hollow Arcolith, and a Flimlane. Corvishan, Plucky, Pandalance, Mudlet, Voltuga, First Light, Poison Tunic, Mudslide, Chronodile, and Scepter. Rumacle, Humbust, Eddie. Ooh, it's like a darker blue. I think that might be a special card. Let's put it over. Larvacell. Kind of mumbling to myself there. Verituka, Fulgaris, Javalucan, Morfrost, Exaltus, and Luminate. Last Daybreak pack. Nebuleo, Pigling, Lumaru, Solbel, Cafmel, Morfrost, Pulsar, Bow of Apollo, Cryoblast, and Leviathan. Now we're gonna start with the Moonrise packs. Snowlet, Kakare, Armadon, Luxomare, Lunar Phase First Quarter, Weirpup, Bandaloon, Ardvarum, Holocomalis, and Leviathan. Gloombat, Toxiri, Havocub, Drakid, Winjin, Doppelgator, Theraheart, Volumbra, Hollow Volclips, and Teralis. Bellowbee, Snark, Starbit, Electrifly, Winjin, Electronite, Titanostrike, Asprawl, Pulveroar, and Tyrannis. Final quarter. Temple of the Moon, No Stone Unturned, Magnetic Force Field, Nabi, Bow of Artemis, Waxing Gibbous, Waning Crescent, Oistillery, and Aulu. First quarter. Waning Gibbous. Final quarter. Temple of the Moon. No Stone Unturned. Doppelgator. Theraheart. Valumbra. Hollow Eclipse. And Lycoris. Carry On, Snowlet, Cockray, Armadon, Luxomare, Waning Crescent, Tsunami High Tide, Aurora Borealis, Corvus and Leviathan. Magnetic Force Field, Nabi, Fonlet, Voldusk, Gloombat, Tsunami High Tide, Aurora Borealis, Cunning Offer, Cryptoris, and Illuminate. Voldusk, he's first. Gloombat, Toxiri, Avocub, Drekid, Electronite, Titanostrike, Asprawl, Hollow Tyrannis, and a Night Venom. Oh, that was kind of weird. It's out of order. And then our last Moonrise pack. Porcuray, Ardbud, Clovey, Catibro, Cinder, Helios Slumber, Doppelgator, Theraheart, Night Venom, and Zaptor. So that's it for pretty much, that was what, 28, I think, packs. So a lot. Yeah, So I appreciate you guys stopping by to watch my video, supporting my channel. Then the last video will be things, the opening up those mystery boxes that I bought over there. That's it for today's video. So you guys take care of yourself. Thank you for stopping by. Hope to see you next time. Thanks. Bye.